Hello. In this video, we are going to build a Telegram group AI assistant bot using the Gemini API and Google AI Gen. Let's start by initializing an NPM project and installing necessary packages.
To get TypeScript all set up for our project, we just need to run one simple command in our terminal. Go ahead and type tsc-init and hit enter. This command will generate a tsc.json file in your project. That's the main configuration file for TypeScript, where we can set all the compiler's options. And there you go. TypeScript is now set up for our project and ready to use.
Let's tweak those settings in our tsc.json file. Locate the root directory. Set this to the folder where your source code lives, usually something like -source. Finally, find the out dir. This is where TypeScript will put your compiled JavaScript files, so set it to your desired output directory.
Go to your package.json file, find the script section, and add the dev script to run the app in development mode using Nodamon and tsnode. Also, add the start and build scripts for running the compiled code. Go ahead and make a new file named bot.ts is where we'll put our main bot code. Then, create another new file named .env. This special file is where we'll securely store our environment variables, like our bot token. Super important for keeping things safe. Let's dive right into the coding. We'll start by using the .env package to load our environment variables from the .env file. Checking out this part of the code. This is super important for grabbing those crucial environment variables we just set up. We're pulling the Telegram bot token and Google API key directly from our environment. And the next lines, they're like a safety check. We make sure both of those essential values are actually set. If either is missing, the script throws an error message and stops right there, preventing any potential issues down the road. Good practice for robust code. And now, we're at the core of integrating our AI. This part sets up the Google Generative AI model. We initialize the AI instance using the API key we loaded earlier. Then, we create a specific chat session with the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. What's really cool here is that we're setting up an initial conversation history. This gives the AI clear instructions on its role and how to respond to users in the group chat, ensuring it's concise and friendly. And here's the exciting part. This line brings our Telegram bot to life. We're creating a new instance of our bot class, passing that Telegram bot token we securely loaded earlier. This bot object will be our main interface for interacting with the Telegram API, allowing us to receive messages and send responses. This part is key for welcoming users. It defines what happens when someone sends the /start command to your bot. It cleverly checks if the conversation is in a private chat or a group. If it's private, it politely tells the user to add the bot to a group chat for assistance. But if it's a group, it introduces itself as the AI assistant, ready to answer questions and provide information. Perfect setup. And this is where the real interaction happens. This code handles all the text messages sent to your bot. First, it checks if the message is coming from a private chat. If it is, it reminds the user to add the bot to a group chat to use its features. But if the message is from a group, it gets ready to process it. It takes the sender's first name and the message text and sends that information to our AI model using that text chat instance we set up. Finally, it takes the AI's response and sends it back to the group chat, keeping the conversation flowing. Plus, there's a helpful fallback message if the AI can't respond for any reason. Great job handling the messages. To get that crucial Google API key, you'll want to head over to the Google AI Studio.
Once you're there, look for the option to Create API Key. You might need to select a project first, and then click Create API Key again. Once it's generated, carefully copy that unique API key. Then, switch back to your project, open that .env file, and paste the key right in there, next to Google API Key equals. Make sure to keep that key secure and don't share it publicly.
Ready for the next step? You got it. It's time to put our bot to the test. Head back to your terminal and type npm run dev. This command will start our bot in development mode, using Notamon to automatically restart the bot whenever you make changes to the code. Oops, it seems I have a typo. Let's go and fix it.
Now, let's run our bot again. Ah, I forgot to start bot. I've added bot to a group, and let's test the bot.
And that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll add image generation functionality to our bot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.